Hello, here is Dr. Sachin. Today I am going to do lungs auscultation. Here is my patient. Let's start. Breathe in. Breathe in. Just turn back. Just breathe in. Can we check lungs auscultation? Thank you.